US President Donald Trump's 25% tariff on Indian exports, effective August 1st, is shaking up trade ties and is set to hit several industries hard. Here's the sector-wise breakdown of who's most at risk. India exports over $10 billion worth of gems and jewelry to the US. The Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council warns that the tariff could disrupt supply chains, delay shipments, and inflate costs. Thousands of livelihoods may be at stake. India is the largest exporter of generic drugs to the US, worth around $8 billion annually. Big names like Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, and Cipla earn up to 30% of their revenue from the American market. The tariffs could affect medicine prices and US healthcare savings. Indian textile companies supply major US retailers like Walmart, Costco, and The Gap. With Vietnam facing lower tariffs, Indian exports lose their duty advantage. Firms like Vardhman Textiles, Arvind Fashions, and Welspun may feel the heat. India recently became a major smartphone exporter to the US thanks to Apple's shift from China. But it is warned that a 25% surcharge could force Apple to rethink its sourcing from India. India imports 37% of its crude oil from Russia at discounted rates. Firms like Reliance, IOCL, BPCL, and HPCL benefit directly. With penalties tied to Russian energy purchases, profit margins are at risk. In total, nearly 10% of Indian exports could be affected this quarter alone. So now, the $129 billion India-US trade relationship stands on uncertain ground.